Hello folks, hope everybody is fine. Today we're gonna see what's inside this traditional headphones. So nowadays the AirPods are quite like their sales have gone up, and these things their sales has gone down. So let's steer this through. So basically there's not that much things, just a speaker, that's a small speaker. Basically there are these two wires and a small magnet here. There is a very small magnet here. So the same as we saw when tearing a speaker. So a small magnet and the two wires connected here and a coil. So as you can see, a very small magnet and these two wires are connected here. So this small magnet is everything that is responsible for converting the sound waves into, the electrical signals into sound waves, so that you can see this small the sounds that you want to hear. This is a magnet and just a coil, right, uh, if you can see the coil. So this is all that's inside a speaker. So thank you folks. Hope if you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Everywhere Science.